Thank you so much. 아리가토 고자이마시타.
Bar break?
Yeah. It's like 20 degrees out right now.
Hey yo, what the fuck? It's cold as fuck. Hey yo, what the fuck?
Wait.
We got some groceries and water. We had to buy beanies at CVS. We got some Nando's.
Oh, we can go through there.
It was just like black snow, like black frost.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Woof that in bitch? No, stop! Stop.
We're all armed.
I'm Jack Frost. No, you're a bitch.
Everyone has a weakness to ice. We got these cookies from the grocery store. They're really good. Goblin approves. So they just announced badges to be picked up, so we're gonna go head out. Happy Kev. They saw him playing Fort while waiting in line.
Nice hotel.
We secured the badge. Based on I got a burger, but I wasn't hungry, so I got a beer.
That's an ass layer.
So since we're seeing Lotus Juice, we have to sign up for the autograph. So we got our badge number and we're confirmed. We're locked in and ready to go. So Lotus Juice just tweeted this and we're about to head out right now. Thank gosh that we didn't leave because I was about to call the Uber, but I didn't. So we got here frame one. I think Lotus Juice is preparing for the mini concert.
This is crazy.
I don't want to be weird and record, but they're setting up right now. Are you excited to see Lotus Juice, Kev?
My name is Lotus Juice.
I love you,
I got
Lotus
this little
Juice.
teaser mini concert tonight, right here, right now.
Let's
I hope you guys enjoy.
Yes.
Hi. Is it just me? Or is it getting a little foggy right now?
Holy shit, Chad.
I don't know. The Midnight Channel?
Oh my god.
On the TV?
I'm about to get that on the TV.
Good thing about cosplaying Mitsuru is that I don't have to do my other eye makeup as detailed as this one. We're about to head out. Day one. Uber was pretty cheap. It was like 10 bucks for this time. Based on those gloves, matches the wig. Did not feel like bringing the coat, so we just brought gloves. Gonna raw dog the cold. So we just took some photos at the gazebo. No wait. We love that. We're gonna drop off stuff at the locker, and then we're just gonna walk around. Over 10. Come on, you got this, you got this.
No. I mean, if you ever change your mind, you can call me. We've definitely evolved since then.
This is the photographer meetup. The lockers are pretty goated. This is the whole line for Maxwell Hall. The end of the line.
All right, so I went up to this guy. He was from Skyrim. I asked for some skooma and said he gave me a quest. So I have to sit at the Danny DeVito shrine until someone makes an offering, and I gotta have video evidence. So I'm gonna be chilling at the shrine until someone, I guess, offers something to the Danny DeVito shrine.
Will someone make an offering? Oh shit. Someone's offering. Oh! The quest has been completed.
I feel bad. Yo. Great.
Yeah.
And even start. I love the Zoomer.
The guy gave us extra tenders and a free pretzel.
All because I'm a Hispanic.
Wait, someone got some things for the eat a bag.
Look.
I know.
Got Elizabeth. Look how sick this is.
Where's
Look at
the
the
Mitsuru
Mitsuru one. Look at that. And then I got
We have
this.
something on the
Oh,
table,
yeah.
bro. I left everything.
Beautiful pen, and I got this one as well.
Which one?
Oh, shit.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. You have a good one, man.
Won't stop talking about anime. I think we're both in frame.
I only have my facial
So this game actually goes hard. We needed a sweet treat.
You guys ready to party with me?
And that's a champagne for you and how to get it right. I wanna, you wanna, we wanna rock it all day, all night. Can't stop or keep on chasing, never angry chaser. Enjoy the race until not only the consequences that brings us. Always come back after falling down, I get up so I keep on chasing my girl, but she keeps on saying it's those unintelligent monsters in it. What are they thinking? Please explain. Don't really need this crap, they waste on what I'm possessing, copy and paste. Doing it better than a settling for another regular. Better to an enemy, yeah, I'm telling you, I'm breaking it down to a little molecular. Better be wise when choosing battles, mostly babbles. You know, one of those bits I'm shitty for, both tables, body for dropping balls, make my spin, few more tricks, but my spin. Way too late, you believe now.
Disturbing the peace, look into my eyes. Now tell me the things you're lying about behind my back. It's a necessity. I know it's hard to become. It's full moon again. Crazy how time flies. One by wonder, the path was in the right direction. Now I still believe things come to
But then I can just have you go freedom. On fire in my heart till you see me on the other side of stars. I'm running.
Oh, the journey starts somewhere along the way. No one should flash a heavy moment break. Rose, baby, rose in time. Oh, it really is something.
Nothing easy, get up, we go, get it, go.
Sometimes this journey is about teachers, not about the destination, not a way around. No matter how far,
No matter how far,
how you go,
how you go,
how long it
don't get no time to waste.
takes,
Set your life up, get hurt, you're scared. Let it go, let it out, let it go, let it out now. Take a deep breath, deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Hey, I'll tell you. Touch the sky. On a sunny morning, I touch the sky. Next morning, I touch the whole. What's the door? I play my role when I rip the mic for part two. But I got to do the place for. I'ma put it down. Sinking no ground anymore from the moment I saw it. It's all gone hard to believe to a bit like me. Used to have set woman in the tail of the week. Play down, I put down behind. Some. Prison break, I got beats down, face reality. Never do charity, never means you got all night long.
all night.
Seize the moment, it's a short nation. The round slow motion, give me motivation. Print out now, dinner. So weapons surround up, don't use your business, enemies blue. One of the truth, there ain't no truth. You're the only one, when the battle goes on, shut us all down. Destruction.
Baby, baby,
This is so good, I love you guys, man. You're the only one for me in my world, spinning around and round and round and round. Sweet hands and local inside, sono saki and cruise on and on. You're the only one for me in my world, spinning around and round and round and round. Sweet hands and local inside, sono saki and cruise on and on. Radio Town. See, I love you, New Jersey, I love you. Spinning around and round and round and round. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimashita.
A much needed water cup after the concert. We're at BurgerFi. We had a late start to our day, but we were up till like 4 a.m. last night. Based on got the Qatherine trip. Kev got the Iga strip.
Shout out to you know who, Frost fan. You know who you are, bro.
This is our breakfast. We're going to the vendor hall. Got some good pictures at the gazebo area. So they have this game showcasing at MAGFest, and I've actually seen this game before, and I never thought to play it. And they have this game as well. It's actually really fun. They also got Vivid Stasis as well, which is really cool. in the PC room and we saw this setup. It has certainly grown.
You're admiring our calling card.
Oh my god. So Legend of Foes has been down all day today. We haven't been able to get a game in, so let's hope that the attack button is fixed.
I need my rematch.
Yeah.
I lost when I was a shitty character, but now I know better.
No Johns. It's getting fixed right now. We're winning, chats. We're winning. Based on a 1, it beat my ass. Witnessing greatness. Yeah, witnessing greatness right now. Day 3. Yo, we just got turned into a GIF. Those are good. Copy.
I'm gonna try for some candy.
Okay. Goblin. Goblin is looking around. Goblin. We just danced like little poros.
Like crazy.
And now we're literally outside just chilling. That nighttime view. This shit was hard to play on. I'm in line to play Ongeki right now. These pretzels are actually so good. Yummy. And they're playing Persona 5 in the distance. I need my sweet treat. Oh shit, MAGFest sleep. So it's like almost 3 a.m. but we are gaming. I'm so awake right now. I got my Corone shoes on.
probably go ahead. You want to go to the rim game?
Last day, no cosplay today because we're freaking tired. We got to the hotel like 4 o'clock and there's only like an hour left of the con right now. So we're just gonna game in the arcade. The arcade is so crowded right now. Everyone's trying to get a game in.
I like the seasoning I used on.
Got some sweet treats.
Is your 30 pieces of silver. Your salvation wasn't cheap. It cost Jesus his life. So give up your life of sin.
See, I love you, the church, I love you. Spinning around and round and round and round. 水平線を越え空にその先へ来るその